Did you know that giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans? Or that their tongues can be up to 21 inches long? Stick around to discover more fascinating facts about these gentle giants of the African savanna. Welcome to another exciting episode of TDC Animals, where we explore the wonders of the animal kingdom. Today, we're diving into the world of giraffes, those towering creatures that have captivated our imaginations for centuries. Let's start with the basics. Giraffes are truly remarkable animals, known for their distinctive long necks and spotted coats. But there's so much more to these magnificent creatures than meets the eye. Their unique body structure is a marvel of nature, perfectly adapted to their environment and lifestyle. Standing at an impressive height of up to 18 feet, giraffes are the tallest land animals on Earth. Their long legs and necks allow them to reach leaves and branches that other herbivores simply can't access. But have you ever wondered how they manage to pump blood all the way up to their brains? Well, giraffes have evolved a special cardiovascular system with a powerful heart and thick-walled arteries to overcome the challenges of their height. Now, you might be surprised to learn that giraffes weren't always well known to the Western world. In fact, it wasn't until the early 19th century that giraffes were discovered by European explorers in Africa. Of course, local populations had been living alongside these majestic animals for thousands of years, but it took some time for the rest of the world to catch up. When giraffes were first brought to Europe, they caused quite a sensation. People were amazed by their unique appearance and gentle nature. Today, we're still learning new things about these fascinating creatures, and scientists continue to study their behavior and biology. Speaking of behavior, let's talk about the living habits of giraffes. These social animals typically live in loose herds of 10 to 20 individuals. Although larger groups can form temporarily, they're most active during the day, spending much of their time browsing for food and socializing with other giraffes. One of the most interesting aspects of giraffe behavior is their sleeping pattern. Believe it or not, giraffes only need about 30 minutes to an hour of sleep per day, and they often do this in short bursts of just a few minutes at a time. Talk about power napping. When it comes to diet, giraffes are primarily browsers, meaning they feed on leaves, twigs, and fruits from trees and shrubs. Their long necks and flexible tongues allow them to reach food that other animals can't, giving them a unique ecological niche in their habitat. Now, let's delve into the fascinating world of giraffe reproduction. The process is quite remarkable and involves some interesting courtship behaviors. Male giraffes, called bulls, will often engage in necking contests to establish dominance and win the right to mate. These contests can be quite intense, with the bulls swinging their long necks at each other like giant, living clubs. Once a male has won the right to mate, the gestation period for a female giraffe, or cow, lasts about 15 months. That's a long time to be pregnant. When it's time to give birth, the cow will typically seek out a secluded spot away from the herd. The baby giraffe, called a calf, is born standing up and can be up to 6 feet tall at birth. Talk about hitting the ground running! Giraffe calves are incredibly precocious, able to stand and walk within hours of being born. This is crucial for their survival, as they need to be able to keep up with the herd and avoid predators. The mother will nurse her calf for up to 18 months, providing it with the nutrients it needs to grow into a healthy adult. So, where do these magnificent creatures call home? Giraffes are native to Africa, specifically sub-Saharan Africa. They can be found in a variety of habitats, including savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands. Different subspecies of giraffes are adapted to different regions, from the arid deserts of Niger to the lush forests of Uganda. Unfortunately, like many wild animals, giraffes face numerous challenges in the modern world. Habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict have all taken their toll on giraffe populations. In fact, some subspecies of giraffes are now considered critically endangered. The good news is that conservation efforts are underway to protect these gentle giants. Organizations around the world are working to preserve giraffe habitats, combat poaching, and educate local communities about the importance of coexisting with wildlife. You can help too by supporting reputable conservation organizations and spreading awareness about the plight of giraffes. You can make a difference in ensuring these amazing animals continue to roam the African plains for generations to come. Before we wrap up, we want to extend a huge thank you to all our viewers. Your support means the world to us, and we couldn't continue making these videos without you. If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the TDC Animals YouTube channel. Your engagement helps us reach more animal lovers and spread the word about the incredible creatures we share this planet with. And with that, we've come to the end of our giraffe adventure. We hope you've learned something new and fascinating about these towering wonders of nature, from their unique body structure to their gentle personalities. Giraffes truly are one of nature's most remarkable creations. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of giraffe. We can't wait to bring you more exciting animal facts and stories in our upcoming videos. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies. You never know when you might spot a giraffe's head peeking out above the treetops. Goodbye, and see you in our next adventure.